Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kenton pudding. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You'll also need a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and 4 small serving bowls ready for the process. Combine the sugar, cornstarch, and salt in your saucepan. Gradually whisk in the milk until smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir continuously. As the mixture heats, it will begin to thicken. Continue stirring until it reaches a gentle boil, then cook for 1 minute more to ensure proper consistency. Once the pudding has thickened and boiled, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the vanilla extract thoroughly to distribute its flavor. Carefully pour the hot pudding into your prepared serving dishes. Allow them to cool slightly at room temperature before transferring them to the refrigerator. Chill for a minimum of 2 hours for the best texture. Your delicious Kenton pudding is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it plain or add your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or some chocolate shavings. It's a perfect treat for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.